PZ4 just spilled the virus on her arm! Infected! My arm's infected! Don't worry, Joseph Bank is at the safe house right now, and he has the cure! I don't know, it's super itchy!
Yeah, are you feeling okay?
You okay?
Wait, you okay?
Oh my gosh.
Calm down.
I'm down. Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
We gotta get to the safe house, come on!
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Hurry.
Come on. There's Joseph Banks right there!
Oh, James, okay!
Hello there! Joseph, you spilled down PZ4's arm! We need your help!
It's the virus.
Oh, no. Contamination.
Yeah.
Quickly now, quickly.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Inside the house.
Oh, inside. In this chair right here. Okay. Have a seat. Check out her arm here.
What's wrong with it?
Fortunately, it does not look like it has spread to the rest of the body. Because the virus has only contacted her skin, she has approximately 15 minutes before we find out what happened.
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
We need to hurry.
Yeah.
What do we do?
I have found a couple of herbs that may just do the trick.
Okay, where do we find these though?
Yeah, where can we go?
My research has pointed to the desert, but be careful. The Red Rock Desert is known for having plenty of hackers.
That's true. We've ran into that before. I'm gonna take this one here. I'll find this one. Let's go.
Let's go!
Save you. Find these herbs.
All right, guys, I think we're here. This is the exact spot Joseph Banks told us to be. Okay, everyone, let's meet back here in 15 minutes to save PZ4.
All right.
All right, let's go.
What is Joseph Banks gonna do with these herbs? Is he gonna make like a mixture out of them and rub it on her arm or what? Just hope it works. Whoa, is this them? Oh, okay, no, I don't think these are them. These are like orange, the ones I'm looking for. Yeah, this looks nothing like them. Okay.
Gosh, I gotta find a quick. PZ4, she's one of my best friends, and she's been through so much lately. She got arrested, now she's sick. When is it gonna end with this girl? Look at that. Look, you see that? What was that? What is that thing right there? Okay, I don't know what that thing is, but it's definitely not an herb. It's definitely not a hacker.
My arm is getting really itchy. I need to put you guys down. I need a scratch. Oh no. Wait. Does it look red? Is the infection spreading? Oh no. Where's the herb? What if the herb is all the way in the top of the mountain? There's no way I can climb.
All right, guys, I made it up here to the rocky area. I climbed super high. Gosh, these roads are so hard. Look at this huge gap here. Let's make a jump from here to all the way over there. 1, 2, 3. That was a close one. Wait. Shh. This must be the hacker that JB's been warning us about.
This looks odd. Oh gosh, look at this. This has gotta be it. Does this look like it, guys? Let's see. Dude, I'm pretty sure this is it. All right, put the camera down. I'm gonna dig this thing up right here. All right, I'm gonna use this rock right here to dig it up. I'm gonna do it carefully so I don't go. Oh gosh! Okay, give me that. The herbs are more.
Look at this guy right here. Look how beautiful it is. There's no purple. That probably does something else besides heal, so we gotta keep looking. Whoa, guys, look at this. You see that right there? That looks like a footprint. And then and then it goes this way, and it goes this way. Look at that. That's definitely somebody was here.
Am I gonna have no arm after this? I need my arm. How am I gonna hack? Oh, guys, you know what? I'm starting to get a bit tired. Wake up, PZ4. Wake up. There's no time to be tired.
I feel like if the hacker is nearby, that herb is probably close by. I'm staying low. Actually, I'm gonna take off my hat because the color red, it might attract attention. Well, let's get a plan together to lure him away from the direction that he's going into. Let me see what I have in my Spy Ninja backpack. I have some rope here. I'm gonna use a lure, maybe in my backpack, because I feel like the hacker, if they see a Spy Ninja backpack or a CWC backpack, they're just gonna be like, ooh, Jad and V. Maybe I can find some information about them in there. So once he gets near it, I'm gonna use it to trap him.
Bring that back here, hacker! Oh shoot! He's got the herb! Come here! Shoot! He's getting away! No, come back here! Whoa! Oh my gosh! All right. Hey! Come here! Oh my gosh, he's running really fast downhill. Oh, 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 ah! Uh-oh. Oh no, guys, where'd the hacker go? Oh man, shoot! I'm never gonna find another one of those herbs. I gotta find him.
This footstep kind of worries me. It could be a hacker footprint. Maybe they were around here trying to find the herb too. But I might be overreacting. There's gotta be a way I can tell if this footprint belongs to Chatterv or PZ4. Does it have a familiar scent, perchance? I don't smell anything. Does it have a familiar taste? No.
This is the bush I'm gonna be hiding under. Right here, I'm gonna leave my backpack, and I'm actually gonna leave my phone on top of here like that so I can capture the hacker's reaction. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's looking at my backpack right now. He's totally gonna type this up. Ready? 3, 1. Yeah! Oh! Give my backpack back to me! Hacker, you yeed your last haul! Let's go, guys!
I know we only have 15 minutes to do this, but sitting down and taking a little breather, that's not gonna hurt, right? I just need 2 minutes to breathe. All right, let's just prop this down right here. Okay. Whew. Let me just rest my eyes a bit. It's really bright. 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
All right, Spy Ninjas. I need your help as always. You guys are always really good about finding things that I don't see. Keep your eye out for any hackers. We need to find that guy to rescue PZ4. Okay, guys, keep your eyes peeled. See if we can see him here. Right there. Do you see that? That's the bow staff right there. That's the bow staff he's carrying. He's got to be hiding behind this bush. All right, guys, we are going to sneak up on him, see if we can get up behind him and grab that herb. He's right over here. He's getting up. Does he have it? Ah! Come here! Come here! Hacker! Give me that herb! You can't get away from me! Ah! Come here! Ah! Give me that herb! Give me that! Ah! Oh, shoot! Ah! Ah! Come here, hacker! You're not gonna get away from me! Ah! Ah! He's a good climber. I got your shirt. I got you. I got you. Ah! Oh shoot! Oh no! I'm falling! Oh! Oh my gosh! It's a steep cliff right here.
Okay, that might have been a stupid idea. I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's just keep following these footprints, see where they lead to. Footprint there. Footprint there. Keep following them. Dang, I think I lost. The footprints kind of end right here. But there is. Whoa. Okay, what's going on here? Looks like a lot of activity happened right here. It's almost like a circle. Is this a succulent? Okay, well this doesn't look like the herb at all. No, it's totally different. The herb is like green and has little like purple dots on it. You see that right there? But there's gotta be a reason the footprints led to here. It's like something important is here. If it's not the herb, could it be? This might be a trap. Guys, watch my back. There might be a hacker around here. I think Joseph Banks said hackers might be here, so we gotta be careful. Okay, let's leave this spot and let's get out of here. Guys, look! That kinda looks like it, right? Yeah, look, it's green, and it's got those little purple specks on it too. This looks like it's the herb.
Oh, I'm gonna jump down. Oh shoot, he's getting away, guys. Hey, he kept his bow staff. Stop right there. Give me that herb. Your former teammate PZ4 is sick. Been contaminated with the virus. I need that. Why don't you help out your former colleague, huh? All right, thanks, man. Yeah, help out PZ4. She's a good cut. Hey, come back here. Oh shoot, come here. Come on, PZ9 was never scared to fight me. Yeah, that's right. I don't know who you are, but your colleague PZ9, he always was willing to fight me. He's confident in himself, but obviously you must not be confident if you're not willing to fight me for that herb.
I have seen you fight many times. against PZ9. And I know that you are not worthy.
Oh, really? Let's get it on. I'm gonna put this camera down right over here, and I'll show you.
Oh my gosh, guys. The hacker's getting back up. Let's get out of here. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, he's coming. Oh my god, good thing he's limping. He's getting close. Ah! 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 Let's go back. Actually, I'm gonna loop around. Let's see if we can get back to the place where he was. Okay, guys. He's right there. Let's get away. Let's leave. Okay. I don't see him anymore. That was really tiring. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. I almost tripped over that rock over there. Gosh, PZ4 is rubbing off on me. I'm getting a little clumsy. I was trying that herb, you guys.
I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'll show you who's the better fighter.
I will show your fans how you lose.
Oh, you will, huh? I'm gonna show these spy ninjas how to win. What's the matter, hacker? You scared of me? PZ9 was never scared of me. Come He's down, guys, he's down. Okay, where's that? Here it is. All right, let's go. Get my backpack. Come on. Let's go. He's getting up. We've got the herb, everybody. We've got to regroup. I don't think it's been 15 minutes yet. Oh, shoot. Daniel's down. And look, I think it's Daniel. I think there's a hacker by him. Oh gosh, I gotta get over there.
Yeah, this is definitely it, guys. Okay, let me put the camera down. How am I gonna take an herb with me home to Joseph Banks? Oh, in my CWC backpack, Joseph Banks gave us these little pots that we can put the herbs in right here. All right, I gotta be very careful not to damage this. This is the only thing that can save PZ4 right now. Okay. What the heck? Go! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh no! The hacker wants the herb! I got it right here though. They're never gonna catch up to me. I'm one of the fastest boys in the whole wide world. Ah, is he still behind me, guys? Is he still behind me? Okay, we gotta go back to the meetup location. Hey, oh no, hey.
The hacker was around here somewhere when he was trying. Okay, wait a minute. There's this little pink sign right here. That's weird. Pink flowers. I feel like this is where the herb must be. Keep an eye out, you guys. It's right there. Is that it? Oh my gosh, is that it? Oh gosh, let's see. That's it! I can't believe it! Alright, I think that was under 15 minutes. Let's go meet up with Chad, Daniel, and PZ4 at the spot. We're going to save your PZ4!
Why do you want this? Is this to save PZ4? Chad! Okay. All right, Chad, come on. Let's go. Back to the meetup location.
You got it?
I got it.
I got mine too.
Nice.
All right.
I think the hacker kind of ruined it a little bit, but hopefully it's still okay.
I hope so. All
right. Let's meet up with V and PZ4.
Yes, we gotta save her. We're at the meeting point. Yeah. Where's V? Sweet. Oh, good. Did you guys get the herb?
You got it?
I got
mine.
Oh, nice.
Nice, we all got ours. Yeah, keep that safe. That's the only way we can get PZ4 back to health.
Yes.
Okay. But where is she?
Speaking of her, we were supposed to be back here in exactly 15 minutes. Where is she?
I'm really worried. She's supposed to be here by now. She's late.
Maybe something happened.
Oh gosh.
Maybe the sickness got worse.
We need to go look for her.
Okay.
Because yeah, she's late. Regina!
PZ4!
PZ4!
Where are you?
Wait, guys. Look, it's more footprints.
Oh yeah.
There's one.
That's a footprint.
Right here is one.
Okay.
Let's just keep following them.
Yeah. Hurry. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Go.
PZ4! Okay, guys, you gotta be careful. There might be hackers around here.
I think we hear
Wait, do you hear something? Do you hear something?
I heard something.
Yeah, around the corner.
All right, guys. I saw a hacker over there.
You did?
Yeah, really? Right there. Right there.
Oh my God, I see him too. What's he doing?
He's on his little like earpiece. He's talking to somebody.
All right, I'll follow you.
Daniel, go that way so we can surround him.
All right, you go that way. All right, go. I'll stay here. Oh my gosh, that's Regina. It's PZ4 laying there.
Should we attack him? Okay, let's go and save PZ4. She's right there. Did you see Daniel over there?
Oh yeah, Daniel's right there. All right,
Daniel, on 3. Let's go grab him. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, Hacker! Hey! You're outnumbered! There's 3 of us! 3 against 1!
Do you want to fight, Hacker? Are you sure? It's 3 against 1. I don't think you want to do that.
Yeah.
You didn't hurt her, did you?
You're outnumbered.
Get out of here, man.
Yeah, you better, hey, you better get out of here. Yeah, you better run.
We scared him off.
Regina!
PZ4!
PZ4! Wake up! Is she breathing?
Oh, she just moved. So I think
She's moving a little bit.
Okay. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Let me see. Let me check your pulse.
Mr. Bear?
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Bear, no. It's the Spy Ninjas.
Where am
Oh my
I?
gosh.
You're in the desert.
Calm down.
It's okay, you're fine.
Is it okay?
Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
Yeah, it hurts.
It's getting worse,
Okay,
guys.
we've got the herbs.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, I'll help you.
Thanks.
What,
I'm sweaty.
what happened?
All right, we better go.
Are you okay?
Do you remember what happened?
What happened?
Why were you down there?
I just remember getting really tired all of a sudden, and then I just woke up to you guys. What happened?
Wait, you fell asleep?
We just need to make our way back to Joseph right now before it's too late.
I'm so glad we found you, PZ4. Just hold on. You're gonna be fine, PZ4. We got the herbs. We got the herbs. Put her down on the beanbag. Okay. Oh my gosh, she's sleeping?
Oh my gosh.
All right, we got the herbs. Hurry.
Look here.
Here's your...
All I need is just a little bit of extract.
It's dripping in there. It's green. Whoa.
Of course. What's happened?
I don't know. She just passed out. But then she fainted or something. I don't know. She's sleeping now. For some reason, she's really sleepy.
Yeah. You said 15 minutes. It's been well over 15 minutes, man.
Yeah.
2 hours.
Oh, I don't think it was that long, but... Okay, let's go. Come on. Over. Okay. Here we go. Put it on her arm. Oh, wow. Okay. Spraying it on. I hope this works.
Yeah, hang in there, PZ4.
Hang in there. Yeah. How long will this take to take effect, Joseph?
I don't know.
Oh gosh, you've never done this before?
The first time I've ever encountered such a virus.
Oh jeez.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
It's
Is
on
it
there.
working?
Is it working? Joseph, is it gonna work?
Talk to us,
what's going
PZ4.
on?
PZ4.
Do you feel better?
PZ4, wake up.
PZ4.
Wake up, PZ4. PZ4. Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Oh no.
It's not working.
What is going on?
PZ4.
It's not working.
Regina, wake up.